many parliament members, many females. So I one my sort of how should I belief or my view. I'm not saying this for appeasement for female. I feel in human history, in early period, no concept of leader. All family members work together, all community members work together, hunting or collecting some fruits or like that, and share equally. Eventually, population increase. Then the stealing or bullying, these things happen. So then concept of leadership will come. At that time, brain not much important. Important is physical strength, like other animals. So therefore, the male dominance eventually, I think, develop. Then eventually, education, through education, the brain development take place, and the brain are more important than physical strength. So then male and female more or less equal way. Therefore now here many members are female. Oh yeah, some are rather beautiful. So therefore, now, now you see, a century or time we need, as I mentioned earlier, the promotion of human compassion, human love, warm-heartedness. In that respect, I think because biological factor, female have more feeling of sensitivity about others' pain. Do you agree? Yes. I think I should ask male, not a female. I feel that one small, no, not much time, not much time. One short story. The one time long flight from India to other country, 8 hours, 9 hours like that. So night flight. So I noticed one couple with 2 babies, one I think 6, 7 years old, one very small. So the whole night, that young one really creates trouble to their parent. And then early period, the father also, you see, take care that young boy or young girl. Then after 2, 3 hours, then father just slept. But mother, whole night, always pay attention about that children. I should say that naughty children. Always pay fullest care. Then next morning, I noticed, you see, the mother's eye become red. This is one example. Female, more sensitivity of others' pain.